Blog YouTube, we are back with the last box. Good luck! Was that new PC? Travis Benjamin, rookie. And a Brandon Whedon, rookie. Oh, okay. Aren't you a lucky mofo? Alright. Is that something different? I guess not. For the Niners, LaMichael James, rookie. Good luck to you. For the Saints, Nick Toon, 130 out of 146. Four-way jersey, nice. And a Stephen Hill rookie. Oh shit, sick. 83 out of 100. Nice. Level 4, Torrey Smith autograph. Nice one. It's a nice one. Yep, they have vets. And a TJ Graham. Nice one. For the Bears, a primetime insert. And Kurt, my favorite Cousins. Yeah, he gets a break every 6 months and does well. That's called lucky. Oh, nice. I cheated. Kirty Cousins. 21 out of 25 version. There you go. Have yourself a break. Not the one you're looking for. A Cyrus Gray rookie. Yeah, McGraw did well. I don't know, but he got the shaft. I know that much. Might have been starting somewhere. There you go. Jersey. 78 out of 194. Somebody just made their money back. Andrew Luck and Ryan Lindley is the rookie. Brock Osweiler, 46 out of 350. Michael Floyd rookie card. And last pack of the night. Good luck to you. Christian Pondere insert. And an AJ Jenkins insert. So that is it, Blog YouTube. It's been real. Catch you next time.